Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. Today I was installing this trailer jack and it made me think of another tip that I want to So when you go to assemble something, and you might have ran into, you get all the bolts in except for one, and then one doesn't line up quite right. Well, the trick is, what you want to do is put all the bolts in and start them before you tighten any of them. That'll give you a little bit of wiggle room to wiggle around whatever you're mounting to allow that last bolt to mount. Don't get them tight as you go. No matter what you're doing, if there's 5, 6, 8 bolts, get them all started. And then once they're all started, you know they'll all fit, then start tightening everything down. So just take your time, start everything first, then you can have that little bit of wiggle to reposition whatever part you're bolting, and then tighten them all down. So there you go, guys. This is 12 o'clock, and remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.